Two questions stop people from signing up for trade school more than anything else. How much is it going to cost me? And is it really worth it? Today, I'm going to give you both answers, no sales pitch, just real numbers and real math.
Welcome to Trades Ready, a podcast dedicated to helping you get ready for the trades with Quality Training Center, your trade school in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Welcome back to Trades Ready with Quality Training Centers, owned and operated by contractors. I'm Aaron Clark, your academic director, and today it's just me. So let's get into it. All right, so cost. Here's the deal. When you Google how much does trade school cost in Las Vegas, you're going to get a bunch of different answers because every school is set up different. So before we can even talk dollars, you got to know what you're looking at. Trade school in Vegas pretty much falls into three buckets. First bucket is the community college route. That's CSN, the College of Southern Nevada. Their HVAC and electrical programs are the cheapest tuition-wise. You're looking at maybe $4,000 to $6,000 a year in state. The catch is the program's long. Like an associate's degree is going to take you 2 years. Sometimes more if you're going part-time. So even though the tuition's low, you're spending 2 years before you're really earning money in the trade. Second bucket is the long private programs, UEI College, Northwest Career College, ATI. Those are usually 10 months, 12 months, sometimes even 18 months long, and their tuition's going to run you anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 when you add it all up. Third bucket is what we do. 12 weeks, 3 months, and the tuition is way less than the long private schools because the program is way shorter. The whole point is get you in, get you trained, and get you working as fast as humanly possible without skipping any of the real skill. Now, I'm not going to sit here and throw our exact tuition number at you in this video because honestly, it changes. We run promotions. We have payment plans. The real number depends on whether you're using VA benefits or one of the workforce programs I'm going to tell you about in a minute. So if you want the actual current tuition, just call us 702-597-0861 or go to qualitytrainingcenters.com. Takes you 5 minutes and there's zero pressure on you. Now, here's where most people mess up. They look at the tuition number and that's it. The tuition is not the whole cost, not even close. So here's what I tell every prospective student. Ask every school these 5 questions before you sign one piece of paper. Number 1, are tools included? Because at our school, they are. We give you the kit. You don't got to go drop another $500 or $1,000 at Home Depot. Some schools, that's on you. You never know it from the tuition number. Number 2, are books included? Same deal. The NEC code book for electrical, that thing alone is over $200, and a couple textbooks on top of that, and you're another $400 or $500 deep before day one. Number 3, are certification fees included? So when you graduate an HVAC program, you need your EPA Section 608. That's the federal certification that legally lets you touch refrigerant. Without it, you literally can't work. Ask if the exam fee is in your tuition or if it's extra. Number 4, what about uniforms, safety gear, work boots, hard hat, safety glasses? Sometimes that stuff's still on you. And number 5, this is the one nobody talks about. What does it cost you to not be working while you're in school? If your program is 2 years, that's 2 years of you not earning real wages in the trade. If your program is 12 weeks, that's 12 weeks. Your time has a real dollar value. Don't ignore it. Stack all that up, tuition, tools, books, certs, uniforms, plus the wages you're not making, and the short program almost always comes out ahead. That's not me selling you. That's just the math working for itself. All right, so let's flip it. You spent the money, you finished the program, now what do you make? HVAC in Vegas, entry level, you're starting somewhere around $20,000 to $25 an hour. So roughly $40,000 to $50,000 a year out the gate. Within 2, 3 years sometimes, especially if you get into commercial or refrigeration, you can be at 30, 35, even $40 an hour. That's 70 and even 80 grand. Six figures is absolutely on the table for guys who keep climbing. I'll give you a real example. We had a guy on the show, Austin. Started his career at $15 an hour. Within months of getting hired, he was at 25. That's the trades. You move up fast if you're showing up and putting in the work. Electrical in Vegas, pretty similar numbers. Entry level around 25 an hour. Journeyman around 33 to 35. Master electricians can go higher than that. We had another graduate on the show, Blue, who went from a desk job in drafting to working in the BIM department at Helix Electric. And Helix is the largest non union electrical contractor in the whole Vegas Valley. Las Vegas is growing. New stadiums, new arenas, new hotels, new neighborhoods. All of these needs electricians. Here's the math on whether it's worth it. Say you spend, just for example, $12,000 on trade school. You finish in 12 weeks. You go to work making 50 grand a year. You've paid back your investment in 1 year. After that, every paycheck for the rest of your life is the return on that 12 weeks. Compare that to a 2-year associate's degree. Sure, the tuition might be lower, but you spent 2 years not earning real money. By the time that other student graduates, the trade school student has already paid off their tuition and made 40 grand. That's a $60,000 head start. Same trade, just a faster path. Okay, so now let me hit you with the stuff nobody likes to talk about, because most people I meet have no idea these even exist. First, VA benefits. If you served, listen up. Quality Training Centers is approved for VA education benefits. We have plenty of veteran students who pay nothing out of pocket for school. Zero. Like full ride covered. We've got a whole team here that helps you figure out what you're eligible for. So if you're a vet, please don't pay anything before you call us and let us walk you through it. 702-597-0861. Second, workforce development. This is the secret one. There's a program here in Vegas called the ResCare One-Stop Career Center. Government funded, and I'm not making this up. We had a guest on the show, Gabriel Madrid, owns his own HVAC company now called Lighthouse Heating and Cooling. When he started, he had just gotten into a workplace accident 6 days before his son was born. He didn't know what was next. He went to ResCare, and they paid for his tuition, his tools, even gave him a gas card to drive to school. Now, he's a business owner. That program isn't for everybody. You've got to qualify based on your situation. But if you're between jobs, if you got laid off, if you're a career changer, make the phone call. See what you qualify for. Third, financing. Most trade schools, us included, offer payment plans. You don't have to drop the whole tuition up front. We work with people. That conversation starts when you call. Fourth, grants and scholarships. There are state-level grants. Sometimes industry associates have scholarships worth asking about. Bottom line, the sticker price is almost never what you actually pay. Ask. Always ask. Now, the other question is, trade schools in Las Vegas actually worth it? Is it? I'm going to give you the real answer, not the marketing answer. It depends on you. If you're somebody who likes working with your hands, if you like solving problems, if you don't want to sit at a desk all day staring at a screen, then yeah, it is 100% worth it. Vegas is one of the best trades markets in the whole country right now. Demand is huge. There's not enough qualified techs. Casinos need HVAC. Hotels need HVAC. New construction needs electrical. Residential services are booming. If you've ever thought about owning your own business someday, yeah, also worth it. The trades are one of the most accessible paths to business ownership in America. You learn the trade, you save some money, you get your license, you go out on your own. We've watched it happen with our graduates over and over again. But I'm going to be straight with you. If you're picking trades because your mom said you should, or because you don't know what else to do, be careful. Trades are real work. We're talking hot attics in July when it's 115 degrees outside. We're talking crawl spaces with spiders, long days, early mornings. The pay is real, but the work is very real too. If your heart's not in it, you're going to be miserable. That's part of why we make this podcast, so you can hear from real graduates and real students and figure out before you sign up, is this the life I actually want? Last thing on the cost piece is biggest mistake I see people make. They compare tuition numbers alone. School A is 12 grand, school B is 25. They go, "Oh, A is the better deal." Not always. Couple things to actually look at. Is the school in Las Vegas? Because if you're commuting 2 hours each way, that's gas, that's time, that's wear and tear on your vehicle. We had a guest, Blue, who drove an hour each way from Pahrump every day. Wasn't a deal breaker for him, but he knew what he was signing up for. Are the labs actually hands-on? Because some of these schools, especially the online ones, you're doing way too much theory and not enough wrenching on real equipment. You will not learn this trade from a textbook. You have to have hands on it. Do you walk out with the certifications you need to work? Like I said, an HVAC tech without an EPA 608 isn't legally allowed to handle refrigerant. Make sure your school gets you across that line. Who's teaching you? Are your instructors guys who actually been in the field or people who read about the trade and now teach it? At QTC, every one of our instructors is a working tradesman. That matters way more than I can explain to you on a podcast. So to bring it all home, trade school in Vegas runs anywhere from a few $1,000s at the community college spread over a couple of years up to 25 grand or more at the long private schools. The fastest path is 12 weeks at a school like ours, and that investment usually pays itself back inside your first year of working. That's amazing. Is it worth it? If you want real career and a real trade in a city that's literally begging for more techs, then yes. It's one of the best decisions you can make right now in Las Vegas. If anything you heard today connected with you, here's exactly what to do next. Go to qualitytrainingcenters.com and book a free tour. One step. We'll handle the rest. Or call us at 702-597-0861. Come see the labs at 3139 Westwood Drive, Las Vegas. Quality Training's owned and operated by contractors, training HVAC and electrical technicians since 1994. We'll see you in the lab.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Trades Ready with Quality Training Center. If you are interested in getting ready for the trades and looking for the right school for you, go to www.qualitytradecenter.com and schedule a tour. Don't forget to share this episode with a friend interested in the trades and subscribe.